I often get asked, Mike, how can I better position my money? The first thing I like to talk about, buckets. Yeah, buckets. And this is going to sound like Allen Iverson. Practice, practice, practice. Not a game, not a game, not a game. Practice. In this case, it's buckets. And I know these aren't really buckets. My daughter would tell me they're just mugs. But for what we've got, we're working with them. We're calling them buckets. Anyway, the point is that you basically want to have several different types of buckets for your investments. So you have a cash bucket, a bond bucket, maybe stocks in a bucket of real estate, or a bucket of private businesses, land, all kinds of different buckets. There's different types of investments, and each one of them has, different features, different benefits, different drawbacks, right? So what you're trying to do with multiple buckets is have different types of investments, different types of features, benefits, and drawbacks, and so you can try to maximize all of the benefits and minimize some of those the drawbacks by smoothing things out. You give yourself better flexibility over where you're going to get your money in order to fund your lifestyle and other goals. Okay, that's one way. The second way is tax strategy wise. So if you have all your money taxed in the same bucket, then you have very little maneuverability in terms of trying to manipulate the tax code in future years in order to keep more money in the bucket and less money going out to the tax man. But the more you get money in different tax buckets, it's going to be taxed differently. The more you can adjust strategy year in and year out, and so you can keep more money potentially in your bucket, less money going to the tax man. You have more flexibility. That means you control more money, and that gives you better options for how you want to live, how you want to spend your money in the future. So the key here, buckets. Get more than one bucket. Several buckets can help put you in a better position in terms of both your investment strategy and your tax strategy. I think I love talking about buckets now. You want to talk about what buckets are specifically best for your situation, reach out.